Good afternoon and good evening, depending on your time and your location. Welcome back to the channel once again. Guys, you can see this grasshopper. Is it grasshopper or grasshopper? I don't know the right word to use, but you all know what I'm trying to say. One of my neighbor caught it, his trap caught it, so I was like, it's a lovely meat and it's a bush meat. I fell in love anyway, so we decided to march to. We bought it at the rate of 12,000 naira. I know it's natural meat. That's the main reason why I contributed that 6,000. We were two. We bought it. So they are now trying to help us to clean it up. You see it now. It's cleaned up already. So guys, watch, like, comment, subscribe to our channel. If you have not subscribed, please do. Thank you very much for stopping by, and also thank you for clicking all our videos to watch. Please guys, share this video to as many as you can. Thank you very much. Give the video a thumbs up. Guys, you can see the reason why I love this meat is because it's natural, and the rate meat and every other thing is costly now in the market. I look at this one as a privilege. It's a very big grasshopper or grasshopper. I don't even know. It's very big, so it's called Anunch in Igbo land. So this is my caretaker. He was trying to help us in doing everything concerning the meat. So guys, stay tuned. Hi guys, unboxed our standing fan with us that same day in the evening. So I remember I got a fan and it has not been fixed together. So guys, I don't know how to go about it. I was looking at the fan, I don't know what to do. I told my son to go and call one of my neighbor. He has been there for a great help. Since we park in, he has been the one helping me to fix some many things. Though sometimes I do bring those things out for him to outside for him to sell to help me. So this particular day we checked on him, he was not around. So when he came back, it was already late. So and I thank God that we have light that very day. So I decided to stay in the sitting room because that day there was a hot weather and there was light. I thought it wise for us to enjoy the light, my children to be part of the fun light enjoyment. So guys, that's the main reason why I I insisted he help out in that, and which he did. It really took a lot of time. Oh, this thing took a lot of time from him. And my son, my small son, that's Kamsi, was busy telling him that it's you help me and fix your own fan. I jokingly told him that it's not for you, it's for your sister. He said no, it's for him and his senior brother, that is Chidera. They don't count my daughter as their blood. So guys, watch, like, comment. At the end I told him, please, oh, it's for your sister. The two of us are sharing one bed, so we are sharing ceiling fan. This one is for your sister, and it's also for our visitor. That is, if we are going to have visitor, maybe the person who might decide to sleep over, then one of them will vacate the room for our visitor. But for now, this thing, the fan is for Chidera and Ugo. So I told Kamsi that we are going to be sharing one. He was very angry. When he stood up, he told the brother to give him the I don't know what to call it, that black something, that I want to use it to ride motor. And my baby girl was busy trying to write her assignment that particular day. So guys, watch, like, comment. To my returning subscribers, thank you very much for always coming back to watch my videos. I really appreciate. May the Lord bless you. All those people that is always here to comment on my videos, I really appreciate you. May the Lord reward you. If you have not subscribed to our channel, please do. If you are new here, please, thank you very much for stopping by. We're happy having you here. Please subscribe to our channel, share this video, like this video, comment on this video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, very very important. Thank you very much. Help me get to 1,000 subscribers before I forget it. That is the main coco. Help your sister get to 1,000 subscribers. And I thank all the people that has been very supportive to this channel, being being that being supportive, all the people that always there to watch my video, encouraging me, telling me to push harder. I really appreciate you. May the Lord bless and reward you. It's about to rain. Oh, let me cover my window because the breeze is too much. So guys, stay tuned. Bye for now. Don't skip the video, please. Make sure you watch this video till the end.
Smart kid taa nwanne iji ego onye eze ọ bụ na ejila ego si ebe awa ọkwa miko bireki Mr. Promo na Smart Kid ụgbọ anyị ebunigo nwanne ọ ga-agafekwa ala zigidi onyewa mụ ego baby hustle bepende baby hustle bepende jolly today I forget tomorrow jolly today I forget tomorrow if you no get the money make it go borrow make it go borrow where you go where you go where you go where you go when you go what did you go anyị jikwa nkụ akpa ego ọkwa nwayọ ka nwoke ji eto eto kapụ ndị nwanne mana pancha na-ekwu ego anyị bụ ụbọchị ya na eji ego ego di akụ na-atọ ụtọ nwanne m ịkpata nwuo ya na nwata ndị ọgbọ gị chilu yo level fa ga-achọ n'ụlada ụfọdụ ga-etokwu ụfọdụ ga-asịkwa na dị mbada ego dị n'okwu bife kpata ị ga-afụ n'ụlọ ọ dị hada money make man fine ịchọkwa ịnya Bugatti ị ga-eyi designer Gucci maọbụkwa Maserati ada akwụ na line na-akpata ego ịchọkwa ime overtake okwu ji ego bịa bụ meti salad na you are talking alat na-abata ọ na-akụ na mmele eso m na ndị ji ego eji m chenji kelekele mbata na your town unu ga-agbanụ nkili yeze egwu na hip hop nwanne ọbụrụkwa n'egwu ekpili I don design check ọ bụrụ nke goalkeeper if you still wanna check go hug tipa ọkwa miko bireki Mr. Promo na Smart Kid ụgbọ anyị ebunigo nwanne ọ ga-agafekwa ala zigidi jolly today I forget tomorrow jolly today I forget tomorrow if you no get the money make it go borrow make it go borrow where you go where you go where you go where you go when you go what did you go
I be Mr. Plum, call me Tiny. Yeah. Mr. Plum, I'm posting Mikey. They gonna jump na money, they find me. I be like YC, I be Muhalaji. I want to be the best, you know they carry last. When it comes to music, come on, we be the best. I got the money. Go take my wallet. I don't be only. One day we be only.
Boys done the bala, hey, bala. Check your sister not his color, bala. Tell them boys done the bala. I don't take this game bala. Boys bulozu eze go limited. Onu nele la the go committed. Order and be take the deaf line if I need it. See Pepe don't rest mula in the night joy. Each day ka Bobby the difference of it. All cannot play make jacket your boy. Or we would go you put us as a way. Okay, we do. Ogo malso bledu ibata club gozu kahiri sidi na chakozu mwe free with chicks and domine ana soso with boys rap na jawe na bawo ufodo na mali ufodo na gola I'm bound not to return so they go agola ni basola every moment is a goal kind kazola counting dollar with dollar wakola I can show another boy for my lover
Salvage the weird producer.
Hi guys, so as you can see, the guy is gradually setting up the whole thing, and my Kamsi is busy telling them that that is his own fan. That's my first son trying to help Chekube to touch the screw. So guys, I have been inactive since all this while. I'm so sorry. I have no reason been on consistency on this YouTube journey. Thank you very much for always waiting for me patiently. For not unsubscribing to my channel. I really appreciate you for being patient. I really appreciate you for being tolerant. I really appreciate you for your kindness towards me and my family. May the Lord strengthen you in the mighty name of Jesus. I have a reason, because this flood is really affecting my village, my entire village. All the people that cultivated rice, maize, even some that cultivated okra, it took all of them away. So my initial plan was that I'm going to the village to buy yam, but I have a change of mind, because any yam that this flood water touch is already spoiled, and my auntie happened to be one of the victims, because all the whole village, as far as you are cultivating in that area, you must be a victim. And for my side, I thank God. I'm farming from our own farm. My own farmland is different from her own. Her own is inside the bush, while mine is not that far from the home. So guys, the place I'm farming, if you want to build house there, is possible, but the place my aunt is farming is in a thick forest, in a thick bush, let me put it that way, and it's very far away from home. If something is happening in the house, if you want to go to the farm to call someone, you waste a lot of energy, but mine, just some minutes I will be there. So that's the main reason why I'm not affected, because mine, if any flood that get to my farmland, has already covered the whole village, so I'm not affected. But in as much as I'm not affected, a lot of my relatives is affected, and even my friends are well wishers are all affected. So guys, watch this video, like this video, comment on this, please, and please pray for my village people.
Smart kid sa nwanne ji ego onye eze ọ bụ na ejile ego si ebe awa ọkwa mik obireki Mr. Promo na Smart Kid ụgbọ anyị ebunigo nwanne ọ ga-agafekwa last video onyewa mụ ego Baby hustle have a bad day. Baby hustle have a bad day. Jolly today, I forget tomorrow. Jolly today, I forget tomorrow. If you no get the money, make it go borrow. Make it go borrow. Hey, you go. Money you go. Boy, you go. Oh yes, you go. Money you go. Otibi jikwego anyị jikwa nko akpa ego ọkwa nwayọ ka nwoke ji eto eto rapụ ndị mbụ nwanne mana fancha na-ekwo ekwo anyị bụ ụbọchị anụ eji eko ego di akụ na-atọ ụtọ nwanne m ịkpata nwuo ya na nwata ndị ọgbọ gị chilu yo level fa ga-achọ n'ụlada ụfọdụ ga-etokwu ụfọdụ ga-asịkwa na dị bada ego dị n'okwu bife kpata ị ga-afụ n'ụlọ ọ dị hada money make man fine ịchọkwa ịnya Bugatti ị ga-eyi designer Gucci maọbụkwa Maserati adakwụ na line na-akpata ego ịchọkwa ime overtake okwu iji ego bịa bụ meti salat na you are talking alat na-abata ọ na-akụ na mmele eso m na ndị ji ego eji m chenji kelekele mbata na your town unu ga-agbanụ nkili yeze ego na hip hop nwanne ọbụrọkwa.
Hi guys, so finally it's coming to an end. You can see my small son, my Kamsi. He's following the guy bomber to bomber, telling him, and he was even feeling asleep. He was very, very serious, telling the guy that he should do this fan, let him go, that this one here is his own. Understand? He was really telling the guy that the fan belongs to him. That is why you saw him sitting near the guy. He was busy shouting, my own fan, my own fan. This guy, after fixing the fan, he plugged it and it was making so much noise. But the other one was not making any noise, so he decided to trace what might have caused the noise. So that's why you see him, tighten and untighten. So guys, watch, like, comment, subscribe to my channel.
Smart Kid sa nwanne ji ego onye eze ọ bụ na ejile ego si ebe awa ọkwa mik obireki Mr. Promo na Smart Kid ụgbọ anyị ebunigo nwanne ọ ga-agafekwa last video onyewa Mueko. Baby Hosanna, birthday. Baby Hosanna, birthday. Jolly today, I forget tomorrow. Jolly today, I forget tomorrow. If you no get the money, make it go borrow. Make it go borrow. Let it go. One year to go. Boy, it go. One year to go. One year to go. What did you go? Anyị jikwa nkụ akpa ego ọkwa nwayọ ka nwoke ji eto eto ọ bụ ndị mbụ nwanne ma na fancha na-ego ego anyị bụ ụbọchị anụ eji ego ego di akụ na-atọ ụtọ nwanne m ịkpata nwuo ya na nwata ndị ọgbọ gị chilu yo level fa ga-achọ n'ụlada ụfọdụ ga-etokwu ụfọdụ ga-asịkwa na dị bada ego dị n'okwu bife kpata ị ga-afụ n'ụlọ ọ dị ha.
Hi guys, so you can see it's all set up. It's now ready to be used. This is finishing. This is the finishing aspect of it. As you can see, he has plugged the wire to the socket. Just watch and see how everything is going down here. Whoa! Finally, it's done and dusted. So now my children are free to be, they are now farm owners. This is their personal properties anyway. So their rooms are no more going to be heat and inching them, and even mosquitoes sometimes. Because if they unfan, the mosquito are not stable. You know, you can never tell when mosquito just enter the house. So guys, it's two, as you can see. This is the first one. This is the first one, and that is one Kamsi says for Chidera. Then this second one is for Kamsi according to him, but it's for Ada. So guys, stay tuned. I'm going to end this video here. Subscribe to our channel, watch our videos, give our video a thumbs up, share this video, comment your opinion, your observations. Always leave a comment on the comment section. Please subscribe to our channel, give this video a thumbs up. Bye and God bless you. Remain blessed.
Smart kid. Sir, one need you.